Aries, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 16 to 22, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. September 16 to 22 for Aries. Wow, victory. Parang meron kang mapapanalunan or feeling lucky or feeling winner ka. Parang literal, may mapapanalunan kang award, you will be rewarded sa iyong hard work. So, some of you may celebration kasi meron kayong natupad na pangarap ninyo or meron kayong na-achieve na goal ninyo. Let's see what else. Friendship. So some of you will also focus on connections with other people. Pwedeng mas magpapalawak ka ng mga kaibigan, contacts, acquaintances. Kasi you'll never know na this person pala ay makakatulong sa improvement mo sa sarili mo, sa negosyo mo. Wow, may new beginnings. So, kaya naman pala meron kayong new opportunities coming in. So, tinan natin in what areas of life ito, Aries. Ninth house, so this is about learning. Pwedeng meron kang pag-aaralan, babalik sa school yung iba. Or travel opportunities ito na first time mo makatravel sa isang lugar. What else? You have first house, new beginnings for yourself. So, I think meron ka ring mga babaguhin sa sarili mo for the better, like something that you will improve sa sarili mo, pwedeng physically, meron kang i-enhance sa yung physical appearance, maaring yung iba mentally, no? Mag-add kayo ng mga bagong knowledge, mag-aaral kayo, emotionally, may healing. So, a lot of things can happen. So, now you are focused on yourself, trying new things, and this will lead to achievements, no? So, meron kang mga significant achievements for this week. I see a lot of 4, so maaring number 4 is very important sa buhay mo, ng number na yan, or number 8, kasi 444, tapos 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 3 plus 5 is 8. Let's see. And April 8. Pwedeng, dahil Aries, no? Birthday nyo. Okay. Let's see your overall energy, Aries. 4 of Swords. Yes. You are healing. You are resting. Sa ngayon, napaka-importante ng pahinga sa inyo, ng break. Okay? You know how to respect your body. Na kapag pagod, nagpapahinga. So, yung iba naman maaring babawi rin kayo sa tulog, no? Lalo na kung kayo ay nagkasakit recently, so talagang you are gaining energy. So, your challenge is the 3 of Wands. As a challenge, maaring may mga bagay na nililimit mo yung sarili mo, no? From achieving more. So, with the 3 of Wands, may mga tools dito. So, ibig sabihin yan, meron ka na pangangailangan. Yung needs mo, yung kung ano yung pakailangan mo, nasa yun na. Kailangan mo na lang yung i-discover. Kailangan mo na lang yung gamitin. So, do not limit yourself sa kung saan lang yung sa tingin mong kaya mo. Kasi you'll never know na may mga iba ka pa palang abilidad na hindi mo pa na-explore. Your opportunity is the 10 of Wands. Meron kang opportunity ngayon na magtrabaho ng magtrabaho. Pwedeng, kaya siguro gusto nyo ngayon na magpahinga because of the responsibilities na meron kayo. Pero alam nyo, kahit na marami kayong responsibilities, kaya nyo siyang i-handle. Kaya nyo. Nakakapagod nga lang, pero kaya. Okay? Kaya nga, kapag napagod, magpahinga para nare-recharge ka at laban ulit, di ba? Your blessing is the Two of Pentacles. So, blessing of opportunities to para sa inyo, especially in your career, your business, your finances. Maaring multiple streams of income. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, may bagong darating na pagkakakitaan or an opportunity para sa inyo na kumita, na may iba pa, hindi lang dun sa main source of income ninyo. So speaking of money, career, finances, there is an ending and new beginning sa inyong career. Kaya siguro may new beginning dito. That makes sense. So pagdating sa career, trabaho, business, sa finances, may endings. Pwedeng iba, nag-resign sa trabaho, or na-end contract, pero may nagsisimula naman na bagong opportunity for you. You have the Elder of Swords and the Hierophant. Grabe, major ito. Puro major arcana. Dalawang major arcana. Elder of Swords is someone na wais. Oo, I feel like meron kayong opportunity na ma-promote sa trabaho. Okay? Or mag-upgrade ng inyong career or business or trabaho because of your knowledge and your experience. Knowledge, skills, experience mo. Di ba may ganon na magre-resign sa work kasi may nahanap na iba na mas mataas ang kanyang magiging posisyon sa trabaho and at the same time, mas tataas rin yung kanyang sweldo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay magiging trainer or supervisor, manager, high ranking, okay? Your love life, Judgment, Champion of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, okay. Meron ditong nagbabago for the better. Okay, maaring nare-realize niya yung halaga ng kanyang pamilya, ang kanyang mahal sa buhay. Pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you are dealing with. Kasi nakikita niya yung role niya sa relationship. So, kung halimbawa, yung isa, hindi siya masyadong naging seryoso sa relationship, especially kung may mga anak na kayo, so, ngayon, meron siyang realization na, teka, kailangan ko nang magseryoso kasi, future na ng family ang nakasalalay dito. So, yung iba, nagpo-focus kayo in building stability in your family life, your home life. Di ba? Meron kayong achievement ngayon, Aries. There is success, victory na naman siya, Yung iba, meron kayong mga goals na matagal nyo nang isinet na goal na ngayon nyo lang ma-achieve. Yung iba sa inyo, may decision making na gagawin. And kung meron din kayong court case, or meron ka lang pagdesisyonan laban sa inyo, kayo pa rin ang mananalo. Yes. Because you are confident. May synchronicity dito, hawak niya lagi yung flag. So, palaban talaga kayo, Aries. Malakas ang inyong paninindigan. At dahil dyan, marami kayong mararating. You are very confident. You are passionate, persevering. Hindi ka basta-basta pinanghihinaan ng loob. Some of you will also spend more time with your family ngayong week na to. Maaring yung iba ay kaya kayo nagpapahinga kasi naka-leave kayo. You're on a break to spend time with your loved ones. Morning, the world awaits you. This is feeling excited every time na gumising sa umaga. It's like you're looking forward to your future every day. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas magkakaroon kayo ng masarap na tulog. Di ba pag masarap yung tulog natin? ang sayang gumising, nakangiti ka na gumising. Oo, so, yan. Kumbaga, you feel good about yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.